That's
Yep.
it. That's it.
Real quick before we start, I had a comment from one of our listeners about anybody can wire up a ceiling fan. So Mr. Green says that that is not allowed. Okay, and I still disagree with him. So Mr. Green, I hope you hear this, and I'm gonna double down. Not only should everybody be able to wire up a ceiling fan, everybody should be able to switch out a receptacle.
No, good Lord.
Yes,
You're
yes.
gonna get somebody shocked. You're gonna get somebody shocked.
And this is funny. My daughter-in-law, when they were living out in Seattle, I had never seen a GFCI circuit breaker. I'd never wired one up. I'd never switched one out.
Okay.
So, and I don't know if you have, but
Yes.
it's not just the little breaker. There's a little wire, a little curly Q wire that sticks out of this thing. And I'm looking at it going, I've never done this before, but what the hell is, we'll give it a shot. And yeah, her and I, we got it figured out. So
YouTube. YouTube will help you.
hell yeah.